Shantou Pinfei Models Technology Company Limited is a professional research and development, design, production of high simulation, aircraft model manufacturers. The aircraft model we produce is mainly made of ABS, wire cutting metal standard parts, and other materials. The features of the product is hollow technology, cockpit and porthole transparent. Its technology has obtained the National Patent Product Qualification Certificate. Each product of our factory is divided into two modes: no light conventional type, LED light type. The LED lighting model has two options: voice control and constant lighting. The power supply mode is also divided into lithium battery charging and USB port direct power supply, according to the internal color temperature of the real machine. The LED lighting system adopts a no-break light source technology to perfectly shield the shortcomings of the traditional LED lamp. Visual effects and appearance are more refined and perfect. Our factory was established in the early 1990s and has been encouraging developing for more than 20 years. Product quality and technology increasingly mature. Product styles and function are continuous innovation. We believe that a good beginning of cooperation starts with trust. Please give us a chance. Let me give you a more excellent and perfect product.